You think sharks are scary? This thing ate sharks for breakfast? Meet Dunkleosteus, a 30-foot armored nightmare from 360 million years ago. It didn't have teeth. It had bones sharpened into blades. When it bit, it could crush through metal like a can of beans. Scientists say its bite was stronger than a T-Rex. In 2022, sonar in the North Atlantic picked up something massive moving deep below, with jaw echoes that matched Dunkleosteus's bite pattern. But that species has been extinct for hundreds of millions of years, right? One diver who heard the recording said, "If that thing's still down there, I ain't swimming again." Can't blame him, because whatever's under those waves, it's hungry. Last week, a deep-sea camera went missing, but the last frame showed metal ripped in half. Subscribe for more ocean nightmares, because sometimes extinction's just a rumor.